ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಬಂಟು ರೀತಿ ಕೋಲುವಿಯವಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ In this song, you would have noticed that I started the song after I started the talam, like so. Bantu Riti Kolu. Now, why did I do that? Hello everyone. Today, let us try to understand Edippu or Graham in Carnatic music. Edippu or Graham in Carnatic music refers to the place in the talam where the song starts. The literal meaning of Edippu is the starting point in Tamil. Okay, understood that a song can start at varied position in a talam. But why does this occur? In Carnatic music, talam is of utmost importance, that you know. But more important is the fact that the natural rhythm of a melody should align perfectly with the talam. Let us understand this rule better with this example of Bantu Riti Kolu. The song Bantu Riti Kolu is in such a way that its meter aligns well with Adi Talam. That is the Talam of Bantu Riti Kolu. Now let us try to align these two together. Now take Bantu Riti Kolu. Bantu Riti Kolu. When I say Kolu, there is a inherent melodic stress in Kolu. Again, Viyavaiya Rama. Rama, there is a melodic stress in Rama. So these are the places of stresses in the melody. Now again in Adi Talam, the place of stresses in the Talam will be on the beat of the Lagu and the beat of the first rhythm. So these are the places of stresses in the Talam. Now you know the stresses in the melody. So I have to align it in such a way that the melodic stress will align perfectly. It should overlap with the stress on the talam. When I align like that, the song naturally has to be sung like this. Bantu Riti Kolu Viyavaiya Rama. This is perfect alignment. Know that the starting point of the talam doesn't matter, but what matters is the alignment of the stresses on the melody with the stress on the talam. Here, as this alignment occurs, the song would have to start at different point on the talam so that this phenomenon occurs correctly, so that this is satisfied. So you understand why Edippu occurs. So now you would be wondering, there could be any place in the line of a song where there can happen a melodic stress. Yes, that is true. So according to that variations in melodic stress, there could be different types of Oedipus. So let us now see what are the various types of Oedipus. To understand the various types of Oedipus or Grahams in Carnatic music, you must understand this term called Matrai. What is Matrai? Matrai refers to the smallest rhythmic sub-unit of a talam. That means I am dividing even the one beat of the talam into the most smallest count. Like I keep counting for each beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like that, I just divide it into smaller units. So that is a matrai. For a regular Adi Talam or Rupaka Talam or Chapu Talam, one beat is divided into 4 matrais. That is the regular one. So that is matrai. Now let's go for the types of Edippu. The first Edippu is the Sama Edippu. It is very simple. Here the talam and the song start simultaneously. For example, Sundarini Divya Rupamuna Chodatanako. So it goes like that. So here the stress on the melody sun and the stress on the talam are coinciding if you watch. Sundarini divya roopamuna. Can you see the coincidence? Okay, so that is an adi talam. Now take rupaka talam. नादलोलुडै ब्रह्मानंद मंदवे etc. रट्टकले आदितालम कमलांबा बजरे मानस. So it goes like that. The second variety of eduppu is the Vishama eduppu. Again, in Vishama eduppu there are two subcategories. First subcategory is the Atita eduppu. Atita eduppu is when the song starts even before the talam, just so that the rhythmic cycle of both to fall in place. For example, Shiva Kama Sundari Jagadamba Vandarul Tandarul. That is in Adi Talam. In Rupaka Talam, Ali Venulalla Drishti Choti Veyuchu Paduchu Raga. So that is Atita eduppu. The second variety of Vishama eduppu is the Anahata eduppu. In Anahata eduppu, again we have subcategories. The first one is where the song starts after 2 matrais of the talam. You remember what is matrai? Each beat is divided into 4 counts regularly. That is what is matrai. So after 2 matrais of the first beat, the song will start. Example 1 2 Shiva 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 Yanarada Ori Shiva Shiva. So here 1 2, after 2 matrais of the first beat, the song Shiva Shiva starting. 1 2 Shiva Shiva, like that. So another example is 1 2 Parama Purusha Jagatishwara Jaya Jaya. Okay, that is an Adi Talam. And Rupaka Talam, Takanyanamu Sagarada 1 2 Nayanamu Sagarada, or 1 2 Yennaganu Rama Bhajana. So it is like that. This eduppu is also popularly called as Arai idam. Arai meaning half. Actually, the song is starting after half a count of the first beat. That is why the name. The next Anahata eduppu is the Mukkal idam. Here, the song will start after 3 matrais of the first count. So 1 to 3, then the song starts. Right? So let's see an example. 1 2 3 Venkatachala Nilayam Vaikuntapura-vasam, or 1 2 3 Manasa Sancharare Brahmani. It goes like that. In Chaputalam we have 1 2 3 Kripaya Palaya Shaure, or 1 2 3 Yavari Kai, and so on and so forth. So this is Mukkal idam because it is, in this case, the song is starting after 3/4 place of the first beat. Right. The next type of Anahata eduppu is the Oru idam. Here, the song will start after 4 matrais of the talam. So 1 2 3 4, and then the song starts. For example, 1 2 3 4 Yentaro Mahano Pavu in Adi Talam, and Rupaka Talam 1 2 3 4 Hi Madri Sute Pahimam, and so on. The next Anahata eduppu is the Onrarai idam. Here, the song will start after 6 matrais of the talam. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the song starts. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 Manavyalatin Chara Dade Marmamilladil. So that song, that's a very famous song. You might know that. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ma Janaki Chattabattaka. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vanamurte Shri Krishna Venu. So that is Vandraraidam. That is, the song is starting after 1.5 count of the talam. These are the major types of Oedipus or grahams in Carnatic music. This tabular column summarizes them. You can pause the video and watch it. You must also know one thing, that in one song, in one single song, there can be different Oedipus for different sections. For example, Pallavi can have one type of Oedipus and Anupallavi can have another type of Oedipus according to the melodic stress of that line. For example, take Allaipayude. In that, the Pallavi will be on Sama Oedipus. Allaipayude Kanna. Whereas the Anupallavi is Anahata Oedipus, Araidam. So Araidam is after 2 matras, right? So 1, 2. Nilai peyaradu silai polave ninru. So you should know this fact. Now what we saw are the major varieties of Oedipus. There can be many more Oedipus according to the melodic stress of the composition. These are more used, these are more experimented rather in singing Pallavis. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.